Are you guys stoked? So what's this group's name and what's your theme for today?
All right, Maddie, take it
Yeah, we are the Parrish Group, and we are here on our senior trip. We're ready to do some rafting and having a great time, man, and not drowning. Yeah.
Right on. We're going to go have some fun. And today, the 4 guests don't know it, but they have the 2 silliest guys working this trip together.
Silliest guys on the river.
Yeah, me too. Okay, push up on your left just a little. All right, give me 1 forward stroke, everybody. Give me 2, team. Right, stay together. Give me 1 more. Give me 1, dig it, and relax. All right, make sure you're smiling. They're gonna take your photo. Give me 1, it's photo shot. Say wee. Give me 1, they're out. Oh no, we're gonna have combat rafting now. Relax. Give me 2, he ain't getting in the hole even. Give me 2. Give me 2 more. Give me 1 more like that. Should put us on the money. It's a narrow slot. Believe it or not, that's a hard move for most of the young guys. They go another foot or 2 to the left, they have big problems. And that guy is way offline. He's about to get stuck with the isn't already. Give me 2. If we bump him or vice versa, it'll be fine. It's no big deal. It's the Ocoee. It's just normal. Give me 2, team. Go, dig up. Give me 2 more. And stop. Give me 1. Double drop. First one's obvious. There's going to be another harder hit you might not anticipate. Be ready. Here it comes right now.
Broken nose intense.
Broken Nose is one of the 2 best rapids of the day.
If this looks like fun to you, you can come rafting with me and my friends at Ocoee Adventure Center and check out the link for more details.
We're looking good. This is the proper line to enter Broken Nose. Big bump. Bigger bump. Give me 2 more. Big bump, be prepared. Good job, team. And this was second helping. The part we just ran after Broken Nose. Give me 1. Give me 1 more, right side, lean in. Everybody hop up. Give me 2. Get down low, very low.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, sorry, brother. Yeah, you can hop up, you're safe. Go, Fisher, go! Very nice.
Go, Fisher.
Oh, he's going for an ender. No, he's playing. He don't want to test her. No, he's going for an ender before Emma gets here.
Oh.
Yeah, he got a loop. Nice, nice. Yay, Emma, very nice. Paul, you're on your own. So here at Moon Chute, we go around Ganesh, the elephant rock, and he can help or hinder our progress with his wonderful eddy line. Give me 2. And well-timed strokes like those. Looking to your left, you'll see Butt Crack Rock. Yes, the river Moon Chute. So we call this Moon Chute. Get ready for a bump from in front and a spin off of it.
There we go. Relax,
Give me 1. Give me 1 more. Very nice. Right, this is a double suck, and here's the express kayak line. Give me 1, team, nice and easy. 1 more. We'll get a rock bump. Give me 1. That's what happens when we have a late stroke on this line, because it's very tight. There's not much margin for error. So rookies, you should be going over to the left around Alligator Rock instead. Give me 1. You're probably gonna watch my video later.
Yes, I am.
Give me 1. We are online. Give me 1 more. Give me 1. Whoa. Give me 1 more. Give me 1 more. Give me 2 more. You guys want to go surfing?
Yeah!
All right, we're going to go try that out.
Yes, sir.
Give me 1. Give me 2. These strokes just need to be smooth more than anything else. Give me 1 more. Get down, pop your feet out the cup. Paddle straight up. Hop up. You guys want more of that?
Yeah!
1 more. Get down. Hell's half mile. Hazard for wayward rookies is that ramped rock. It's a good fit spot. Here comes Chopping Broccoli. I don't know how Paul and I ended up front again, but it's just normal. It's really hard to stay behind those kids. He's trying to get stuck on purpose to get them in front of him now. It still held half mile. It's pretty long. And if you're swimming it, it would certainly feel like a half mile, even though it's probably only a quarter mile. But it's very shallow. And if you swim toward either bank, there's lots of sharp rocks from blasting 100 years ago. All right, coming up around the bend is Double Trouble. It is a photo op. So if you make silly faces, I suggest you do it on purpose rather than on accident. Give me 1. Give me 2. It is named for 2 big standing waves. 2 more, team. All right, we're looking pretty good. Smile and be happy. Oh, yeah. Give me 2, dig them. Look over there to your right. That rock with the smell sticking out of the top is undercut. It's a blast rock. And brace yourself. This raft is called left, right, left because that explains how it's run for our poor rookies. Unfortunately, they can't ever remember the names of rapids, so the name doesn't help much. See, now we're going right, and in a moment I'll turn back left. Kayakers, we call this 99 eddies because there's a lot of slalom gate moves. Give me one. As long as we don't hit this hole sideways or something wacky, we'll be fine. Give me two, but I see Flipper Rock. Give me one. Dig. Give me two. Give me two more. Relax, you're good. Give me two. Give me two more. Keep going. Make them count. Lean forward. Ah! That was even more fun.
You ruined it!
Go back and surf, Emma. Give me two.
Oh yeah! Oh my God!
So how's the water temperature today? Is it a nice, palmy, sunny day? Oh look, it's getting cloudy all of a sudden. You're supposed to go, oh, it's so warm, and get your friends to jump in too.
Hey guys, follow my trail. I'm gonna warm it up. Hey guys, I'm gonna warm it up right here. Follow my trail. Nose and toes, nose and toes.
Yeah!
There it is.
Oh yeah! Yeah, we're playing. Get the boat unpinned. After I stuck it and changed batteries. Give me 3 backstrokes. Oh yeah, there you go. Hop back in your seats. Good job. And that was silly. Here's the gate move into the final little rapids. You see the rock there of Hiwassee Shoals. Don't get stuck on that rock, I'll laugh at you. And here we have many bad 70s jokes, starting with this triangle pointing downstream. It's a huge tongue. So, it being the 70s, they named it Gene Simmons' tongue. Yeah. Somebody actually knows who Kiss was. Usually this falls on crickets. Even the Scoutmasters are too young to get the jokes.
Yeah.
All right, here comes Sneaky Pete. When I drop this ledge, I'm gonna say lean right. I want you all to lean right when I tell you. Ready, set, lean right hard. Hit on the left. Good job, Pete. Give me one, nice and easy. Give me two, make them better. And relax. I think I'm in the right spot. Sorry if I bumped you. Give me one. Give me one more. Lean in, get down, just don't fall out. And here's the above table saw strainer. Give me one. I think one of them's a dead ash tree. I'm not sure what all these trees are. I guess they're all dead now. Yeah, that one I think is an ash tree. I'm not sure. I need to pay attention where I'm going. This is the true entrance to Table Saw proper. little rock smear. Give me 2, team. We're gonna do almost some light sprinting to get a good lineup so we can have more fun. Give me 1 more. And all my friends are right behind me where they belong. Good. Give me 1 more. Give me 2. Give me 2 more like that. Get ready for a really big old hit. Give me 2. 2, everybody. Fire on all cylinders. 2 more, dig them. Give me 2. Give me 2 more. 1 more. You ready for a bump? Give me 1 on the right. Give me 2 on the right. 2 on the right. Thought that's gonna happen. Oh no, I'm gonna run over the human mystery move. Oh no. Watch out for the floating undercut. Oh no, the horror. I'm drowning. Give me 3, go, go, go. Get down. Oh, no, there's swimmers over there. I don't know what they're doing. I want to push them. Give me 1. Whoop, whoop. Into accelerator with the Jolly Viking in front of it. Yeah. What could possibly go wrong? Uh-oh, he heard me. He's running away. Just like Brave Sir Robin in the Monty Python in search of the Holy Grail. You didn't expect that twist, did you? Another bump. I was kidding, didn't you? Another bump. I don't hit any bad rock. Brace yourself, I may or may not miss it.
Brace yourself.
Give me 2 forward. Bump on the right. Not a bad one. 3 more. Yeah, baby, yeah, baby. Give me 2. 1 more. 1 more. Get ready for a big hit. Brace yourself. Get ready for a bigger hit.
Oh, yeah.
Now, we have to go back and do it again.